Next we've got one of these, which is a Master Pro Series padlock. This is the 6327, which is one of the larger ones in the range. Might even be the largest, I'm not 100% on that. Obviously padlock shims won't work, shrouded top, cone picks don't work. I have bumped this with a filed down key. To be honest, it did take quite a while to bump it. Single pin picking it does, again, takes a while to do it. The quickest method seems to be to rake it, and it's the Begata type, triple peak type rake that seems to get these in the quickest time overall. That's it, the lock's gone. That's it, open. Didn't take long at all, oops, for a padlock that's like 30 quid or whatever they are, 40 quid. To be able to rake it open that easy is a little bit shocking.